Good evening. Are you trying to play a game? Because I'm gonna play a game with you. This game is called Barney Error. And guess what? It is a hardcore Barney error. You have attempted to power up your Commodore Amiga CD32 with this stolen copy of Oscar, developed by Flare Software, and I am very angry with you. I'm very angry that you shoplifted this game from your local Caldor. Caldor has notified local law enforcement earlier today about the video game theft and is offering for you to return it in one piece. All you must do is eject this CD, put it back in its case, and bring it back to the store where you stole it from in order to avoid legal action. You fool! You did not listen to me about ejecting your CD. You turned off your Commodore Amiga CD32 with the disc still inside it in order to try and restart it. But that didn't happen. You failed to follow my instructions, and you will now suffer the legal consequences. Prepare yourself for the federal violation message now.
Attention offender. You have registered this Commodore Amiga CD32 anti-theft and tracking software. The information related to the theft of this copy of Rockstar has been cataloged by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and local law enforcement has also been notified. Your local Caldor has been monitoring the situation this entire time, and you had plenty of ample warning. But due to your insistence and incompetence on trying to play this stolen computer game by turning off your Amiga CD32, you missed your only chance of simply learning your lesson and avoiding jail time. That was, don't shoplift. You will now face the full wrath of justice. So be it. This could have all been avoided if you had paid for this computer game like you know you should have done in the first place, but you chose to fuck around with Barney and not listen. You will now face severe legal action and no possibility of ever making bail, parole, or probation. Shame on you, asshole. Let's see if you survive a night with the Gen Pop inside of Big Sandy. They do not treat shoplifters or cartoon lovers lightly there. In other words, you're doomed. Goodbye now.
Fuck. I gotta smash this thing and get the fuck out of here.
Freeze! Police! Put your hands in the air! I am not fucking around!